When you are applying for a master program to Sweden, you should be aware that Sweden has a very centralized application system. You don't have to apply to individual university, but all you can do is you can go to the admission portal, which is universityadmissions.se. Once you are on the portal, you can search the program. All Swedish universities are registered with this portal and their information is available on the portal. So you just type your program and you can get the information about the program, and when you are applying you can select that. So you don't have to apply to the individual university. It's a centralized application system in Sweden. Hello, now it's the time to give you an overview about the Swedish application system. It's very simple. I will try to cover as much as I can. First of all, we will open the website University Admission Sweden. If you just write this and you will get universityadmissions.se. This is the official centralized application system for Sweden. Once you open this website, this is the page, the first page on the application portal. Here you can select the semester you want to apply, and here you can write the course like you are looking for. I mean, if I'm looking for a course for molecular biology, I will put molecular biology and I will get all the results for this semester, spring semester. So here you can see there are different courses offered by different universities. You can see some have yellow button and some have green color button before the application period. It means for green, application is open. For yellow, application is not open, but it will open soon. If it is red, it means application is closed. For Sweden, there are two admission rounds, spring and autumn. Autumn is good, or autumn is considered good for the people who are coming from non-EU countries and they need visa. So I will recommend you should go for autumn. Here on this tab, you can see different kind of information in the menu. You can search for the key dates, requirement, master, when you are applying for the master program, what information you should have before you submit the application, and selection and results you can see here. Here you can see information about fees, scholarship and residence permit. It's hard to get into each tab and talk about that. It takes like 1 hour. So I will just go to the dates and deadline to show you how to check the information. I will check the key dates and deadline for autumn semester. Here are the information like when admission round is going to open, what is the deadline to submit your application document and fees. You can see the different deadlines here, and then you can also see when your results are going to be announced. Now we can go to our main task, how to select a program. For example, right now autumn semester courses are closed, spring is open. Spring is going to start from January. For autumn, classes starts at around like August or September, but for spring, classes starts in January or February. Here I will write molecular biology. So now you can see there are different programs. Just to give you an idea, I will select the program. Like first I will select this one, 2. At the moment there are only 2 programs are available for the application, but if you apply within the time limit of application, you will see like hundreds of programs offered within your degree. There is one thing that I would ask you to select from here, from the left hand side. It's a program and also the master program. Here you can filter your search for the program. It will help you to find only the program which are related to your field or for only your intended program. Like if you want to go for master, if you select master, you will get only master programs. If you don't select master program, then you can get all the program within the molecular biology field for bachelor as well as for master. Once you select this program, you can go here, my selection. In the my selection, you can see your programs. I have already told you in the start of this video that you should have a program which is 2 years. If you want to do a part-time job, you need to select a 2-year program to get a tax number. When you are selecting the program, it is very important to understand what is the importance of ranking. If you select 4 program, and you have to make sure that on the top you should have a program where you see higher chances of admission. Because if you get the admission in the first program, and then other 3 will be deleted. If you don't get admission in the first program, then they will check the second. If you don't get in the second, they will go to the third. So they will check all. And if you don't get admission in all 4, they will tell you, okay, you are not qualified for the admission. For scholarship, this ranking is very important. Most of the time in university scholarship, they ask you to put the program on the first ranking. If you see somewhere you are going to get admission and you are also applying for the scholarship of the same university, try to put that program on the top. Once you are done with selecting 4 program, you need to go to the start application. Here it can be asked again, like what is your username, just to make sure you are the right person. Once you selected the program, you press the button start application, then you can see here like you have how many program you have submitted. From here you can go to continue if you are sure about it. So here you can see, for me, I have to select the country and then my university qualification are from, like Pakistan. Application fee, I have read information on this, so I have to acknowledge this or accept it to continue. Once I select it, press submit. I will go to the next stage. So now my application has been submitted. So this is very simple and very easy procedure. You can do it by yourself.